So I want to ask you a question: how much time it took to you to crack your examination?
Mega, frankly, I'll say it took me 1.5 years almost.
Okay.
Yeah, but uh, I don't know whether I should say this or not, but I'll say because somehow it may help you in a other way. Because if you are preparing for a PO is the best thing, no doubt. It is a good job, and you will get a managerial post and all. But I'll say, if at all you are getting selected into a IBPS clerk or RRB, whatever, you should get in first in the system, because once you get in the system, it is easier. It becomes more easier to crack any exam further, because at that moment you feel so confident that you are not just preparing for something. You are having something. Now you are asking for yourself to do something more. Then
Yeah,
yeah,
I really appreciate your words, and yeah, I agree that actually I am preparing for my destination is to become a PO, but yeah, I am also giving the examinations like SSC, IBPS, PO, RRB, clerk,
yeah,
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 and all these things and all the state level examinations I'm giving at all.
yeah.
So yeah,
You should give. Yeah, you should always give all these exams. And yeah, if at all you are getting in any kind of exam you cleared, then you just join it, and after that you
yeah,
prepare yourself for further, and you definitely you'll your efficiency will be 200% more at that time,
yeah,
for sure,
I
because
totally agree with you.
that signal goes into your mind that you are not unemployed right now. You are just asking yourself to do more better for yourself. So in that moment you can do, uh, uh, no doubt, you can achieve anything. You might have seen so many IAS officers who cleared IAS in top ranks, civil service exam,
Yeah,
top 10, top 20. You'll find that they are already in some kind of service in civil services only. They are
yeah,
IRS officers or IPS officers. They want to become IAS and IAS officer, and they
yeah,
try and they succeed. Although they don't get that much time to prepare, then also they clear it, because they are already in service. They are already working for some kind of organization in the system. But
yeah.
they do clear every year, just because they have that confidence in themselves. Yeah.
Yeah, I got your point, Priya. It's totally I totally agree with you. Like if you are already in your services where you want to go, then it's easier to get your position to make that
Yes.
position that you really want. Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
So we are running out of time. So what else you want me to ask or anything that I can help you with?
Mega, seriously, I didn't have anything. I don't have anything right now to ask. I want to ask, if something I need to ask, then I'll ask you your feedback, so
Yeah.
that if there is any kind of scope for improvement, then I'll surely work on it. And yeah,
Yeah.
I want to improve every day. A
Yeah,
bit.
okay. So, in your feedback, I would really appreciate your like whatever you're saying. You're excellent at your conversation. Okay, but the very thing I have noticed that you have to concentrate on your vocabulary level, and also you can add some idioms and phrases in your communication. Okay. Otherwise, you are good at grammar level and vocabulary level is also good at you. But yeah, you can add idioms and phrases, and also you are practicing in this application. That is good enough, right? And by practicing, you will get nutrify your communication skills at all, right? So this is my all feedback that you have to add idioms and phrases. Yeah, and also you can go for YouTube videos and you can listen to native speakers, and also you can imitate them by by copying them. You just have to listen them and then you can copy. to, that how do they speak. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, right. Megha, thank you for this wonderful session, and I
Yeah.
look forward to have more sessions with you.
Yeah. Thank you so much. It was wonderful
Thank
meeting to you. Yeah. I would like to say goodbye.